Up next, we have Mean Little Kitty.
Meow, meow, meow.
The last group, did you say hit yourself? I agree. Thank you. One person gets it. So the last group was called Team Devil's Hands and murdered someone on stage, and now we're on Mean Little Kitty.
Meow, meow, meow.
In 2185, the Andromeda Initiative embarked on an ambitious venture to pursue a new life of golden worlds. A journey that would take 600 years in stasis and lead the brave people involved into a dangerous and uncertain future. There, in the terrifying unknown, one can either lose themselves or find everything they were looking for.